The spotlight of the fashion world was not only focused on the designs walking down the runway at the prestigious Paris Fashion Week 2026. This year, public attention was unexpectedly drawn to a moment involving two major Chinese stars, Xiao Zhan and Wang Yibo. A video clip circulating on social media shows an interesting moment when Wang Yibo was seated among invited guests, most of whom were young and beautiful women. In the recording, the star known from the hit drama, The Untamed, appeared relaxed, chatting and even taking selfies with several female guests sitting around him. However, what truly made the internet explode was not just Wang Yibo's presence, but the expression of Xiao Zhan that was captured by cameras shortly afterward. Many fans felt that Xiao Zhan's expression seemed to show a hint of jealousy when he saw his colleagues surrounded by young women. Within seconds, the clip went viral and sparked thousands of comments from fans across multiple social media platforms. Wang Yibo surrounded by beautiful young women. As one of the most influential Asian celebrities in the fashion world, Wang Yibo's presence in the front row of Paris Fashion Week always attracts attention. While attending one of the major runway shows, Wang Yibo was seen sitting in the front row seats surrounded by various invited guests, including models, influencers, and VIPs from different countries. Interestingly, almost all the seats around him were occupied by young women dressed elegantly in their Fashion Week outfits. Cameras capturing the atmosphere showed how Wang Yibo remained calm and friendly. Some women around him appeared to be chatting with him, while others asked for photos. Without looking awkward, Wang Yibo smiled and politely took selfies with the guests. That moment later became the starting point of the viral discussion on the internet. Xiao Zhan's expression becomes the spotlight. Not long after Wang Yibo's video spread online, another clip surfaced showing Xiao Zhan's reaction when he noticed the situation. In the widely shared footage, Xiao Zhan could be seen turning his head toward Wang Yibo, who was sitting among the young women. His facial expression, which briefly appeared serious and slightly changed, immediately became a hot topic among fans. Some fans believed that Xiao Zhan's gaze looked like someone who felt a little jealous or uncomfortable seeing his friend becoming the center of attention among many women. Of course, there has been no official statement from Xiao Zhan regarding this interpretation. Nevertheless, fan speculations quickly spread across the internet. Some even described the moment as a spontaneous reaction that reflected the emotional closeness between the two major stars. Xiao Zhan's fans flood social media with comments. What made the situation even more interesting was the reaction from fans on social media. Shortly after the video went viral, many Xiao Zhan fans began tagging the actor's account in various posts. Some fans even wrote comments as if they were informing Xiao Zhan about what Wang Yibo was doing. Among the comments that quickly went viral were, "Xiao Zhan, look, Wang Yibo is surrounded by beautiful women. Appa, hurry up before someone steals Yibo." Xiao Zhan's expression looked like someone who was jealous. These comments spread rapidly and created a huge wave of discussion among fan communities. Many fans also turned Xiao Zhan's expression into memes, calling the moment both funny and adorable. Wang Yibo's reaction, just a smile. The most intriguing part came when Wang Yibo reportedly became aware that Xiao Zhan's reaction was trending online. According to some fans who attended the event, Wang Yibo was informed that Xiao Zhan's expression had gone viral on social media. Instead of making a lengthy comment, Wang Yibo simply smiled. He appeared calm and gave no verbal response to the rumors. His silence actually made the situation even more interesting. Many fans interpreted his smile as mysterious yet amusing. Some even believed that the smile suggested he understood what was happening but chose not to add fuel to the speculation. The internet explodes within seconds. As often happens with viral moments involving two major celebrities, the internet quickly erupted. Hashtags related to Xiao Zhan and Wang Yibo rapidly climbed the trending lists across multiple social media platforms. On Weibo alone, the topic Xiao Zhan reaction to Wang Yibo at Paris Fashion Week reportedly generated millions of discussions within a short time. Many internet users replayed the video repeatedly, trying to analyze Xiao Zhan's expression in greater detail. Some even slowed down the footage to capture the slightest changes in his facial expression. Xiao Zhan and Wang Yibo's relationship always draws attention. Public interest in Xiao Zhan and Wang Yibo's interactions is nothing new. Since the two starred together in the hugely popular drama The Untamed, their chemistry has been a constant topic among fans. In the drama, they portrayed characters with a strong emotional bond, which made fans even more interested in their real-life interactions. Every small moment involving the two almost always becomes a major discussion online. That is why Xiao Zhan's expression at Paris Fashion Week quickly drew massive attention. Fans find the moment adorable. Although some people interpreted Xiao Zhan's reaction as jealousy, many fans saw it as a cute and amusing moment. According to them, the expression was simply a spontaneous reaction that anyone might have when seeing a friend become the center of attention. Many fans also emphasized that Xiao Zhan and Wang Yibo have always maintained a professional relationship. For that reason, some fans preferred to enjoy the moment as lighthearted entertainment, rather than turning it into excessive speculation. Paris Fashion Week witnesses a viral moment. Paris Fashion Week often produces unexpected moments that later go viral around the world. However, it is rare for such a simple moment, just a brief facial expression, to trigger such a massive discussion. The presence of two major stars like Xiao Zhan and Wang Yibo clearly played a big role in drawing public attention. Moreover, the glamorous atmosphere of Paris Fashion Week, filled with international celebrities, models, and fashion figures, made the moment even more captivating. A viral moment that shows their influence. In the end, the incident once again demonstrated how powerful Xiao Zhan and Wang Yibo's influence is in the Asian entertainment world. A brief expression, a simple smile, and a few seconds of video were enough to set the internet ablaze. Fans from different countries joined the conversation, creating memes and editing videos featuring the moment. Even international entertainment media began highlighting the event. Although there has been no confirmation that Xiao Zhan was truly jealous, the moment remains one of the most memorable highlights of Paris Fashion Week 2026. For fans, that brief moment has already become a viral memory that will not be easily forgotten.